In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a task for a specific contact, set due dates, make it recurring if needed, assign it to the right teammate, and save it so it shows up where you work every day. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and heading to your main dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for Contacts and click it. This takes you to your list of people and companies. Find the contact you want to work with. You can scroll, search, or filter to narrow it down. When you see the right contact, click their name to open their profile. Inside the contact's profile, look to the right side of the screen for the task area. This is where all tasks related to this person live. Click Task, then click Add Task to open the task editor. Give your task a clear action-focused title. Keep it short but specific so it's easy to scan later, like Follow Up About Proposal or Confirm Onboarding Call. Beneath the title, you'll see the description field. This is optional but very helpful. Add any context, links, or quick bullet-style notes so anyone assigned to the task knows exactly what to do. If you don't need it, you can leave it blank or remove it. Next, set the due date and time. You'll notice the time zone indicator, typically shown as EDT or whatever your workspace is set to. Make sure the date and time reflect when you actually want the reminder to hit. If your team is spread across time zones, align on a standard so nothing slips. If this is something you'll do regularly, turn on the recurring option. Choose the cadence that fits your workflow, daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom interval, so GoHighLevel will automatically generate the next task after you complete the current one. This is perfect for routine check-ins, monthly billing follow-ups, or renewal reminders. Now choose who the task is assigned to. Pick yourself or a teammate so ownership is crystal clear. Assigning tasks ensures the right person gets notified and it shows up on their task list and calendar views inside GoHighLevel. You can also associate the task with other records tied to this contact, such as an opportunity, appointment, or a specific conversation. Linking the task keeps everything connected and makes reporting and follow-up faster. When everything looks good, click Create. Your task is now saved to the contact's profile and will appear in your task lists and any relevant calendars or opportunity boards. That's it. Quick, organized, and easy to maintain.